Hello everyone, it will be here again. One of the things that investors didn't do well in the city of Lagos, especially people who invested in new towns, new areas in Lagos, Nigeria, is that because of the prices of those lands, because of how affordable those lands are or were at that point, they just bought those lands and they forgot about it. Now, forgetting about it and leaving land for a long period of time usually cause problem. And the reason why it causes problem is that the land that you bought, when you bought it, they said title was coming. They said a lot of things that you thought, okay, not immediately, but it will happen later. And you are not the only one that needs land. A lot of people too need land. People are going to government every day to go and buy land. And which land do you think government will sell to them? Government will just look through their map. What area is there a land that does not have title? The land that does not have title is the land that they will give to anybody that needs land, that wants to buy directly from them. So people went to family to buy and resell. The mistake they did was that while they have gone to the family to buy and resell, they were supposed to go to government too and do title. Yes, the title may be expensive, but the process was supposed to have started. And if that process have started, government would have saved a lot of land, would have been saved because titling process have started. If your land certificate is out, even if your CFO is not out yet, your land will be spared because a process have started on it and you have paid for that titling process and things like that. But a lot of investors left it and said that no, they will do it later, they will do it later, they will do it later. It is later that we are now. That later now that we are in the city of Lagos is what has made most land non-acceptable again, and it just looks like people that sold it to them scam them. A lot of things are happening that it was never a scam in the first place. Things just changed because the land was not titled. Government needed land, and they took the land that is not titled. That is why I am saying here now that if you want to buy a land, please make sure your land is titled. Let us go past this. I will do title in the future. Let us go past this. Let me just buy it and keep when the time for titling comes. So I don't have money for title. Let's go past that. Let's avoid the option to cry in the future, because if government need land, they will look through their map. Is untitled land, they will first collect first of all, because they know they are the one that is titled. They really have to need it before they can collect that. Do you understand? And if they really have to need it before can collect that, then there will be compensation for those who have titled land. That is what I'm trying to say. So for us not to lose money in the future as investors, let us make sure that any land we are buying, no matter how affordable it looks, let us make sure that it can be titled, number one, and titled can be processed on the land. So this is Ibadan. This is the moniya is saying expressway in Ibadan, and this land that I'm showing you here is a sea of old land that is titled, and for just 2.4 million 2.5 million naira you can get yourself affordable, and it is titled. That's the most important thing. It is titled. Give me a call if you are interested in this land. I'll be happy to